Welcome to KAWAMALL. Today we're going to show you our fingerprint RFID controller. This particular unit will be able to connect within your network and access over the internet. You can use each person's unique fingerprint, key card, or PIN number to gain access. This comes with a key card, some mounting screws, USB cable, CD with the software, some wiring, rubber back mounting plate, a manual, and the RFID controller. Let's take a closer look at the RFID. It has a USB port on the side. It has a nice cover plate. On the back of the RFID controller is a metal mounting plate. There's two screws that are tied into the controller, so you have to unscrew them to take it apart. There's also a rubber mounting plate that goes on the back. On the bottom of the RFID controller, there's a reset button right there. And the other two holes are the screws for the mounting plate. The kit comes with wiring with the appropriate fittings. There's also an RJ45 connector that you can plug into the unit. We'll give you a quick tutorial on how to access new users to the controller. Click the menu, and we want to go to User Manage, click OK. Now enroll user, click OK again, and then we have a couple of different options to choose from. We're going to pick the RFID first, so we'll go ahead and scan our first key card. Go ahead and scan in. You scan right into the fingerprint area. It reads the card. And then once you're done, you go ahead and click OK. You want to save it? Yes. Ask for you twice. Now let's go ahead and register a fingerprint. So we go enroll a fingerprint. No, let's see if we can just add it to the first user. So we'll go back and add it to the first user. So you're going to place your finger twice on the reader. And once you get done, you're going to ask for a third time. Once it gets done and you want to save it, click OK, and then just exit out. Once you install the software on your computer, go ahead and open it. In the meantime, you should be getting the IP address off your controller just by going into the menu selection. You're going to need this because this is where you're going to set up your controller to the software, so you can be able to detect it on the network. So go ahead and enter your IP address, and then go ahead and test the connection to see if it's on the network. Once you get confirmation that you're connected to the network, go ahead and click OK. Now you can also name your controller by typing in a name on the server name. You can have more than one controller using the same software. Once you establish your RFID controller, then you're ready for your time management control. You can also manage your RFID controller from the internet. You'll need to type in the IP address in the address bar. Then you'll log in your username and password, and you'll get all the same features and settings that you normally get with the software. There's two different kinds of readers you can add to this controller. An RFID reader, you can read key cards and key fobs, or your fingerprint reader. This doesn't have an RFID coil built in it, so you're just going to have a fingerprint only. And you just connect this to the wire, and it goes to the controller. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or comments, please send us an email.